is not normal water. This is a magical glass of water that you've just created. Does it feel like somebody hugging you? Does it feel like all the emptiness is gone? What does the feeling of complete look like for you? And I can guarantee you 100% with all my experience that this will come true. One of the most divine day to manifest, the 12-12 portal. I'm going to give you a complete guide, every step-by-step explanation of what to do, how to do. This ritual is going to be so special. You will see your desire 100% coming true. I can guarantee and vouch for this. Hi, my name is Nitisha, also known as the Tarot Girl. Now, in this video, I'm going to start everything step by step of whatever you need to know. You will have to watch till the end to not miss out on any important and minute detailing. First thing first, what exactly is 12-12? How special is it? Now, certain numbers, certain days of the year are very special in itself, numerologically as well, and with the cosmic energies on that day as well. Whatever you do on those days will get maximized returns. So the number 3, which is 1 plus 2, in itself gives you maximum returns. It will amplify any activity with the good intention that you do, will literally maximize. This ritual that I'm going to teach you is just curated for this day itself, so that you can actually get the highest benefit. I will jump directly now into teaching this. This is really going to be helpful and more such videos will come up. So subscribe to my channel to get such updates every now and then. Now, first thing is what or how to do it. One is you might have multiple things that you're trying to manifest in your life right now, starting from career, money, relationship, health. There can be anything that you can manifest. There's no rule of only one thing to manifest today. But my personal suggestion from all the experiences of my past years that I have is keep the 12-12 manifestation until 3 desires only. So pick up those 3 specific desires that you have, that you want to manifest. And whatever activity I teach today, follow that individually for those 3 desires. Just to make it easy. Now, for example, you may have a desire, say for example, next year in 2025, you want to have a salary, you want to draw a salary, or you want to make a profit of say 2 lakh rupees every month, or have a salary of 2 lakh rupees every month. Or you may have a desire as specific as you're looking for a promotion in position and also a hike. So which is, a career desire. So be very specific with what amount of say hike you want and the position in the promotion that you want. If you're looking for a job, be very, very specific with where is it, which city is it, which domain is it, preferably if you know a company that you want in, be specific with the company as well. If you're looking for a relationship with your existing partner or a new person in love, be very specific with what exactly, how is the love life that you're thinking about. Be specific with the characteristic of that person. Be specific with the qualities you want or the person to have, or the kind of relationship that you want. Define the relationship. Do you want a very loyal relationship? Do you want a very fun loving loyal relationship? Do you want a relationship filled with a lot of stability, peace of mind, understanding? Be specific with your desire. The reason I'm stressing on this is if you're not specific, it's like going to a restaurant and saying you want to order pasta, but you don't know which sauce is it. You don't know how spicy you want. You're not specific with what you want. So the waiter may just give you pasta, but they'll give you something maybe you don't even like. So that's why be specific. That is one point. Now, how should you begin the manifestation? Again, a personal tip. So take these tips. The tip is, it's better to manifest somewhere between 12 to 12:30 a.m. and 12 to 12:30 p.m. More specifically, 12:12 a.m. or 12:12 p.m. So you have to start at that time. Obviously, it will take a certain minutes until you finish it. But if you start it at that period, it's even more powerful. That's just a personal tip. If you cannot, it's totally fine. It will still work for you. Now, what is it that you're supposed to do? First thing that you're supposed to do today on this 12th December is that you will have to make sure once you're specific with your desire, just take a pen, a paper, or a book, a normal book, a fresh book, or just a plain paper. After deciding the desires that you've planned that you want to manifest, it can be 1, 2, maximum 3. You're going to write down those on a piece of paper. Okay, so now we'll begin this. Whatever desire that you've planned, you want to manifest. Yeah, one more clarification, that desire can be anything, can be something that you want in the coming month, or in the coming year, or in the coming week. That's your choice. Or as a long-term desire as well. You're supposed to write it down on these piece of paper or in a blank book. Just take a paper, fresh paper or a book, and first write down the date. Today's date, which is 12th December. So today's date is what you're going to write down first. After writing today's date, you're going to write down your name. So my name is Nidhi Shah. So I'm going to write down Nidhi Shah. And now, after writing the name and the date, you are going to write stating this to universe. You're writing this letter to universe. So imagine how important is this letter going to be. You're going to write this letter to universe stating, Dear Universe. And then you're going to start writing one by one, maximum 3 desires, as if it's already achieved. You've achieved that desire already, and you're just thanking this to universe. This is just a thanking letter to universe. And in the thanking letter, you're going to write down every specific desire, as I said, with detailing. So if your desire is you want a job in the coming year, in a specific company, at a specific position, and a specific amount, you're going to write down saying that I have already achieved this position in this company and gained X amount with utmost respect, with utmost ease, and in whichever city or it is. If you want to add that, you can also add that if you're specific with the city. Or if you are in relationship and you want more love in the relationship. So what kind of love, what kind of relationship you desire it to be like. Just write that down as if it's already happened. Saying that your partner is deeply in love with you. You both are finally having the most understanding, happy, loving time with each other. You both are inseparable, and you have achieved that communication between each other that was missing. All the gap between both of you are no more in existence, and universe has given the most blissful relationship to me finally. So this is how you're supposed to write down with the flow. I'm just giving you an example. And then just thank universe in the bottom, writing, hey dear universe, that you finally made this happen for me, and I'm more than grateful for everything that you've given beyond what I've asked for. That's how you're supposed to write it down. This whole copy of letter is also going to be there on the screen, written and attached. You can also drop your email. I can also email you the copy if you want. That's going to be a sample copy. So once you've written that, so each desire, you can write one letter. If you have space, you can continue the second and the third in the same paper. Make sure you're specific. Then after writing that, just say thank you to the universe. Be very, very grateful, and just put your signature there. It's very important to put a signature. The reason I'm telling you this is you have verified this to be a legal document to universe. Just like you give any document in banking, or you used to give in your offices and schools, we always had signatures. So signature is very important. You're going to sign this below. The sample is going to be on the screen, or you can drop down your email as I said. Now once you've written this letter for the 3 desires, as if it's already happened, that desires already happened, all you need to do is just fold this paper. Just fold this paper. Simply fold this paper and just keep this aside. I'm going to explain you what more about this you're supposed to do. I'll just keep this paper aside. Okay. Now, the next step of manifestation, we are going to jump into that. These are few things that you're seeing on my table. You are also going to need this. So keep it ready. Either you're going to need some bottle like this. Not necessarily compulsory this way. But what I mean is it has to be a glass bottle. At least a transparent bottle. This way. Or if you don't have this, you can just have a normal glass, empty glass, but it has to be glass, kaach ka, basically is what I mean. And it has to be normal, the way you drink, not steel, not plastic. And we are going to need drinking water. What you're supposed to actually do is, now fill this bottle. This is after writing the letter to universe and folding it, keep this aside. We're going to need this. Now, you're going to fill this water. This is drinking water. You're supposed to fill drinking water as well. Fill it completely. Now, certain things you're going to do as an activity. And obviously, you're going to cover it because so that dust doesn't go. But after the activity, I'll explain you. You'll need salt, the salt that we eat. You're going to need this salt and you're going to mix this salt a little bit. Say 1 tablespoon salt is more than enough. Now this is a small glass, so I'm going to just put a little bit. That's it. Now if it's a big bottle, you can put a lot of salt. But if it is small, just put to the limit that you can drink. Now what you're supposed to do is, you're just going to hold this water this way. Just hold it, okay? Close your eyes and you're going to start imagining your desire that you've thought, that you wanted to come true. Now if it's 3 desire, 2 desire, then all the 3. Now how is that imagination going to be? I'll give you a simple example. Say for example, as I said, if it's a job, or say if it's a certain amount of money that you want to fetch every month, you want to earn every month as a profit. So say for example, it's 50,000 rupees that you want as a profit every single month from next year or in the upcoming months. You're just going to hold the glass in your hand this way, near to you, near to your heart chakra, specifically near to your chest, near to your heart chakra. Take deep breath, look into the water, and now start sending this intention inside the water. Let your voice pass through the water, let your eyes be inside the water, and imagine this intention as your bank balance changing every single month. You obviously know how your bank portal looks like. You obviously know that the notifications that we get. Imagine those notifications. Imagine your bank balance. Or if it's a job, imagine an email coming by. Imagine a promotion letter coming by. Imagine in your relationship, whatever your desire is. Imagine in your relationship, your partner treating you right, or you getting a new love into your life by whatever mean that you're imagining. If you don't know the mean, it's still okay. Imagine the feeling that you're getting when the new partner is coming. So imagine like you're very happy, you're sleeping peacefully, you're feeling very secure, you're chatting with somebody and the person is taking care of you. Just imagine those things. Picture those things for a few minutes. Obviously I cannot keep the video on and keep imagining that. But yeah, that's what you're supposed to imagine. Look into this, keep imagine, speak that okay, my partner is treating me right. Finally, we are in that relationship and we have all the love between us. He or she has become the most understanding partner, and I'm more than grateful for this, to universe or to the God you believe in. Once you say that, just sip a little bit of water. A little bit of water you're going to sip, or if you're thirsty, you can drink half the water or half a bottle as well. The rest is still going to remain. Now you've put the intention, thank water as many times you can. Thank universe for this. Imaginations are inside this water. Now this is not normal water. This is a magical glass of water that you've just created. You will have to cover it up. On this day of 12th, you're going to complete this complete glass of water or bottle that we have charged up. If you fill this, then you're going to use this the same way. You've charged it, you can just keep it near you. If you're traveling on that day, if you go office, just put it in your normal water and carry that in the morning with you. Now, one very special thing that you're supposed to do after this activity is you're going to make chits. The chits that we used to make when we were young in school. You're going to make 12 chits. There is a reason to the number 12 because it's the 12-12 portal. So this is very special. You're going to make 12 chits and like fold it this way, the way I've folded it. Normally, making very small chits. And in every chit, you're going to write down 12 type of emotions that you feel, that you will feel when the desire will come true. This will practically this will help you imagine better, and this will practically make your brain believe and this charged water believe that this has already been achieved, so that in your reality, you actually achieve this. What that 12 emotions can be. One can be, I'll just give you examples. Suppose you've got the love of your life, right? How are you going to feel? You're going to feel happy. You're going to be excited. You're going to be feeling that butterflies inside you. So butterfly is also an emotion. So write down happy, satisfied. So you're going to need 12 chits. I've just tone one chit, but this way, you're going to write 12 chits. So one will have, you're going to feel complete. So fold it up. Just say, I'm going to feel complete. And imagine, how does feeling complete look like for you? Does it feel like somebody hugging you? Does it feel like all the emptiness is gone? What does the feeling of complete look like for you? Imagine that. Keep it this way under the glass of water. This is the glass of water. Keep it below the glass of water. That's it. Now, the second chit, maybe you're feeling very happy. The third chit can be you're feeling extremely satisfied. The fourth chit can be you're feeling extremely emotional in a good way. The fifth chit can be you're feeling proud of yourself. The sixth chit can be you're feeling the butterflies inside you. So imagine I've just given you 6 emotions. Now for your desire, it may have other emotions. It may have you're feeling stable. It may have a feeling of abundance. It may have a feeling of feeling the luxury. It may have the emotion of feeling a sort of childlike, whatever it can be. It can be feeling of say joy. It can be feeling of say having this feeling settled in life. So whatever those 12 emotions are, make 12 chits. Make 12 chits. Keep it under the glass of water, just in the support of this glass. Keep these 12 chits around the glass of water or under the glass of water. The whole motive is that you're supposed to let the water be charged by these chits. So while writing the chit, imagine that. Hold it for a few seconds. Imagine that visual of feeling that to have come into reality. Then keep it under the water. Now let this water, this is salt water. Let this water be in itself be charged. Let the chits be charged with the water. At least keep this way for 1 hour. Once it's charged, once you feel that it's charged, now this is enough. You can keep 2 hours as well. There's no rule. Let this chits be this way until night. Every time you pick up the water, you drink, again keep it back near the chits. Again, if you're traveling or working, you cannot keep it the whole day that way. So just charge in the morning, just charge the water that way. Let the chits be, kept somewhere else, just in the drawer. Once the water with the chits is charged for 1 hour, 2 hours, then carry this bottle and keep drinking water from this. One thing I missed out to say is, why salt water? Salt is considered to cleanse yourself, to cleanse the energies inside you. So by adding salt, you're cleaning all the negativity, all the fears naturally. That's why salt water and charging the chits and then drinking the water the whole day. That is it for the activities that you're supposed to do. Now, personal tips that I would like to give you as an addition so that you can close this day 12-12 even better. Now, certain things that you're going to need today is before the day ends is this water by the day end. Just finish normally 1 liter water easily. You can finish. You can drink as much as salt water you can, but yeah, normally at least try 500 ml or 1 liter bottle. This is just glass to show you an example. You can keep adding new water and the same way keep drinking it again and again. That's not a problem. Now, certain tips that I would want to give you is, once you finish all this, what about this letter? Now this letter you're going to need. The letter that you've done as the first activity, you're going to open this letter up again in the night before you sleep. And whatever that you've written as the desire that have already come true, the same desire that you just manifested through rituals as well, take your phone, record yourself in the recorder and keep saying this the same way that it's written. Saying that I, Nidhi, on 12th of this December, I claim this to be true and I have sent all my power, all my energy and all my willingness to universe to bring this true. And then start saying this. In the end, same way, say thank you and then say I signed it up. I've signed this up. Record these desires in detail the way you have written. I repeat, be specific, be detailed. That's it. Once you've recorded it, just close the recording, just fold the paper again. Keep this paper under your pillow where you're sleeping. And the recording, just hear this as a last thing before you sleep. Just bow down to the Mother Earth before sleeping. Hear that audio. Keep this letter under the pillow. That's all. You're done for the day. On the 13th morning, this letter, these chits, whatever they are, just keep it in some box. Whenever the desire comes true, you can just burn this off. Or you can just put it off in some lake, in some river. Just let that flow in the elements of nature. Or just burn it off and blow away the ash in the universe. When this comes true, not on 13th. When it comes true. 13, you can just keep it back in some nice box in your drawer. The water should have been finished before the 12th night itself, naturally. That is what. Okay, now the doubt may be, should you just drink salt water the whole day? Not required. Even this much, 1 liter is enough. 500 ml is also enough. But at least try 500 ml or 1 liter. Rest time, you can drink normal water. That's completely fine. I'm sure you might have some doubts. You can comment below. Also, how to write this letter to universe, I have put up. You can also drop your email. I'll send it to you on email. I also do very customized manifestation based on your desires. So if you have a desire you're trying to achieve, you don't know which methods, which activities to be done, or if you're going through something and spiritually you want to heal, I customize everything based on your needs. You can WhatsApp me. The WhatsApp number will be on the screen. You can WhatsApp me to get customized plans for that as well. But for now, I really, really hope you've done this, understood this, and I can guarantee you 100% with all my experience that this will come true. There's no doubt about it. And I send you all the love. Thank you for watching this.